And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate Waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start in close hold and dance natural spin turn. Notice ladies brush action. At the end of figure, we continue with turning lock to left to promenade position. From here we dance cross hesitation with quarter turn to left, then backward lock step. We continue outside partner with open impetus, and from open impetus we dance passing natural turn and then outside change. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. And this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold. And we start diagonally to wall with natural spin turn. Second bar goes around the corner. We continue diagonally to center with turning lock to left. Now diagonally to center cross hesitation. So we turn and continue diagonally to wall with backward lock step. In same direction we start open impetus, which we finish moving down line of dance with passing natural turn, and then diagonally to center outside change, and we finish ready to move diagonally to wall. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.